this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the new testing and production configuration features of OpenText Gupta TD Mobile 2.1. TD Mobile 2.1 has a nice new feature to configure apps for testing and production systems. In the application outline tree, there is a new entry here, web.config, and if you click on that one, then you see the connection strings and app settings variables that have been defined for this app that can be retrieved at application runtime and that automatically adapt between staging and publishing. So you can provide a value for testing and a value for publishing. And you can have as many app settings as you like, so you can basically define your own variables that are being saved in this web.config configuration file, and you can retrieve these values at runtime, and depending on whether it is a testing environment or published environment, you will retrieve different values. Connection strings that are defined in TD Mobile will automatically retrieve the same name connection string from web.config, so they will automatically adapt between staging and production. Let me run this application and show you how this works. So here's the running application, and you see that I have a screen that shows the configured values coming from the back end. In this case, I'm using this testing configuration. You can see that I'm using IIS Express. So the app URL is this here, localhost : and then this number here. That shows me that this is a testing environment. And the customer database, which is a connection string, has been retrieved from the web.config file. And you see database is equals test. And so the ERP database and the customer database values are test values. And also the report directory, which I defined as a variable in the web.config section, shows me the temporary place for reports, which is for testing. So in TD Mobile 2.1, there are new functions that help you to retrieve the connection strings from web.config and the application variables from web.config, plus you can retrieve a user's IP address and the current URL of the application. Now let's switch to the production value. This link loads the same page from the same machine here, but this one, in this case, this is a deployed app which is deployed to the IIS server on this machine here. And now the URL has changed to localhost app configuration, and you see the customer database and ERP database connection strings have changed as well, and they're now on the prod server, and also the report directory has changed. It's now below the inetpub www root directory. So this helps to prepare your applications for testing and production environments and makes your life easier when testing and having applications in production. Download TD Mobile 2.1 from the OpenText website now to try all this yourself.